C is one of the most important programming languages in the history of computing. Developed at Bell Labs in the early 1970s, it became the language used to build the Unix operating system and influenced countless languages that followed. C provides direct access to memory and hardware resources, giving programmers precise control over how software interacts with a computer. Because of its speed and efficiency, it remains widely used in operating systems, embedded systems, microcontrollers, databases, and performance-critical applications. Even today, many modern technologies rely on code originally written in C++. C++ was created by Bjarne Stroustrup as an extension of the C language, adding features such as object-oriented programming while retaining the speed and power of C. It allows developers to create large, complex applications with better code organization and reuse. C++ became especially popular in game development, graphics software, operating systems, web browsers, and engineering applications. Many major game engines and professional software tools are built with C++ because it offers excellent performance while supporting advanced programming techniques. Java. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems in the 1990s to allow software to run on different operating systems without modification. This was achieved through the Java Virtual Machine, which translates Java code for the target system. Java quickly became popular in enterprise software, financial systems, Android application development, and large-scale business applications. Its strong security features, stability, and platform independence helped it become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Python. Python is known for its simple syntax and readability, making it one of the easiest programming languages to learn. Created by Guido van Rossum in the early 1990s, it was designed to emphasize code clarity and developer productivity. Python is now used in web development, automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, scientific computing, and data analysis. Its vast collection of libraries allows developers to solve complex problems with relatively little code. Because of its versatility and beginner-friendly nature, Python has become one of the most popular programming languages globally. JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language that powers much of the modern Internet. It was created in 1995 to make web pages interactive, allowing developers to add animations, forms, and dynamic content directly inside web browsers. Over time, JavaScript evolved far beyond its original purpose and can now be used for server-side development, mobile applications, desktop software, and even game development. Today, nearly every major website uses JavaScript in some form, making it one of the most essential languages for web developers. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language used to create the structure of web pages. It defines elements such as headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, tables, and links. While HTML is technically a markup language rather than a programming language, it serves as the foundation of nearly every website on the Internet. Web browsers read HTML documents and display them as visual web pages. Without HTML, websites would have no structure or content for users to interact with. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, controls how web pages look and feel. It determines colors, fonts, layouts, spacing, animations, and overall visual design. Before CSS became widely adopted, web pages had very limited styling capabilities. By separating design from content, CSS made websites easier to manage and visually appealing. Although it is not a traditional programming language, CSS is an essential part of front-end web development and works closely alongside HTML and JavaScript to create modern websites. PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed specifically for web development. Introduced in the mid-1990s, it became one of the most widely used technologies for building dynamic websites. PHP runs on a web server and generates content before it is sent to a user's browser. Many popular platforms, including WordPress, were built using PHP. Its ease of deployment and strong support for databases helped make it a dominant force in web development for many years. C#. C# was developed by Microsoft as part of its .NET framework and was designed to combine the power of C++ with a simpler and more modern syntax. It is widely used for desktop software, enterprise applications, cloud services, and web development. C# gained even greater popularity through the Unity game engine, which made it one of the leading languages for independent and professional game development. Its balance of performance, productivity, and extensive tooling continues to make it a favorite among developers. Swift. Swift is Apple's modern programming language for creating applications across its ecosystem, including iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and Apple TV devices. Introduced in 2014, Swift was designed to replace Objective-C while offering improved safety, speed, and readability. Developers quickly adopted Swift because it simplified app development without sacrificing performance. Today, it serves as the primary language for building applications within Apple's platforms and continues to evolve with new features and improvements. Kotlin. Kotlin is a modern programming language developed by JetBrains to improve upon many aspects of Java. It offers cleaner syntax, fewer programming errors, and greater developer productivity while remaining fully compatible with existing Java code. In 2017, Google announced Kotlin as an officially supported language for Android development, significantly boosting its popularity. Developers appreciate Kotlin because it reduces repetitive code and simplifies many common programming tasks, making mobile and back-end development more efficient. Rust. Rust is a systems programming language focused on speed, reliability, and memory safety. Developed by Mozilla, it was created to solve common problems found in low-level languages such as memory leaks and security vulnerabilities. Rust uses a unique ownership system that helps prevent many programming errors before code is even executed. Its combination of high performance and strong safety guarantees has made it increasingly popular in operating systems, web browsers, cybersecurity tools, cloud infrastructure, and other performance-critical software projects.